If you're in your 20s or even your 30s and you're thinking, I want to be rich one day, but I have no idea where to start, this video is for you. The truth is, building wealth isn't about luck. It's not about being born into money, or working 100 hours a week, or betting on the next hot crypto. The easiest way to build wealth, real, lasting wealth, is simple. But you need to understand 3 things: how money actually grows, what systems to build early, and how to avoid the traps that keep most people broke. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what wealth really is. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it. You could earn $100K a year and still be broke if you spend it all. You could earn $40K and build a fortune if you build the right habits. Wealth is made in the gap between your income and your expenses. That's where freedom lives. So your first mission isn't make more, it's maximize the gap. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Step 2, start now, not later. Let's do some quick math. If you invest just $300 a month, starting at age 25, and you earn an 8% annual return, by age 55, you'll have around $450,000. Start 10 years later, at 35, and that number drops to about $200,000. You didn't invest less money. You just started later. That's the power of compound growth. Time is your most valuable asset. Use it or lose it. Step 3. Automate everything. The people who build wealth aren't the smartest. They're the most consistent. The easiest way to stay consistent? Automation. Automate a percentage of your income to savings. Automate transfers to your investing account. Automate investing into index ETFs like VOO, SCHD, or VTW. When money moves automatically, you remove emotion. No thinking. No forgetting. No, I'll do it next month. It just happens. And over time, it becomes unstoppable. Step 4. Invest in the market, not in hype. Forget the idea that you need to pick the next Amazon or buy Bitcoin at the bottom. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be consistent. Index funds and ETFs are your best friends. They give you instant diversification, low fees, and steady long-term growth. You don't need to check the market every day. You don't need to guess. You just need to own a piece of the entire market and let it work for you. Start with VOO for the S&P 500, VT for global exposure, SCHD for dividend growth. Invest monthly. Reinvest dividends. Watch it grow. Step 5. Build skills, not just savings. Here's a secret. Your income is a wealth building tool too. If you want to build wealth faster, don't just cut coffee and Netflix. Learn valuable skills. Skills that help you earn more. Create new opportunities to give you options. Learn to write, sell, code, design, analyze, lead, speak. Not for a degree, for freedom. The more valuable you become, the less dependent you are on any one job or boss. And the more money you can save and invest. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is one of the biggest traps. You get a raise, and you upgrade your car. You start making more, and you move into a more expensive apartment. You make $60K but spend $59K. That's not wealth. That's just spinning in place. Every time your income increases, try to lock in your lifestyle and grow your savings instead. If you can increase your income and increase your investing, that's how you build wealth faster. Step 7. Surround yourself with growth. Your environment matters. If everyone around you is broke, spending recklessly, and laughing at the idea of investing, you're going to struggle. Follow people who are ahead of you. Listen to podcasts. Watch videos like this. Read books. Talk to people who want more. Not just more stuff, but more freedom. Mindset is contagious. So is mediocrity. Step 8. Stay boring. And win. Most people lose money because they chase excitement. They jump into meme stocks, NFTs, or some sketchy business idea. They want to get rich quick, but end up poorer than before. Wealth is boring. It looks like automating $300 a month, reinvesting dividends, staying the course for 10, 20, 30 years, and then one day, you wake up and your investments earn more than your job. That's freedom. Bonus tip, you don't need to be perfect. You'll make mistakes. You'll miss a month. You'll feel like it's going too slow. That's okay. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is direction. Are you getting better? Are you growing? Are you moving forward? If the answer is yes, you're winning. Final thoughts, if you're in your 20s or 30s, you have time. And time is the most powerful wealth-building tool on the planet. You don't need to be rich. You need to be smart, consistent, patient, focused. Start small. Stay steady. Let time do the rest. And one day, while others are still chasing paychecks, you'll have built a life of real freedom. If this helped you, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more real-world investing and money mindset every week. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.